November 25, 2010. It's the night before the startup of the restaurant Royal Hill in Greenwich, where I am starting to work. Ciao. Hey, saluden, que esta es la primera noche. Ay. Miguel, me están llamando. November the 26th, 2010, 8 o'clock in the morning. In my last day job as refuse collector in the city of London. I slept 4 hours because yesterday night I was setting up the restaurant, the Royal Hill, for starting tonight. So today I have to finish a little bit before, as usually I finish at 2. I used to finish at 2. Today I'm gonna finish at 12. And a quick shower, and then running to the new job for starting. But today I just wanted to show to all my family, to all my friends, to anybody which cares about me, what was I really doing in the last month of my experience, migratory experience in the UK. So I am working still as a refuse collector in a lorry. I'm in breakfast time. The work is not only eating. Anyway, my fellow, the driver, is in the coffee. I don't have money enough, so I eat in the car, in the lorry. That's why. But I have to admit, this is one of the 3 best jobs I ever did in all of my life. Quality of life is really high in the job because you don't get stressed. You just do what you have to do, and nobody press you, and that's a good thing. The only problem is that they never make you a contract, or it's really difficult, pretty difficult. And as temporary worker through the agency, the salary is too low, so I can't survive like that. That's why I'm changing. Otherwise, I will stay here because I never felt so happy working like I am. So probably next time I will talk, I will be sad, more sad than I could feel now, because I hate restaurants. I hate the fucking restaurants, but I have to do it. So this is the lorry where I am working. Well, my PC is not part of the lorry, evidently, obviously. Okay, the driver is not there now. I will show you later my fellow Bokri. And this is the lorry in the front. This is the model of our lorry. E16 is the serial number of my lorry, mine. And that's what we do. Just put in the bags inside the lorry. Bokri, my fellow, one of my best fellows of my life. From Albania, the best driver in the Veolia company.
Yeah, number one.
No doubt about that.
No,
okay. The Battersea Park is impressive. It's amazing. The fucking Battersea Park. There, the lorries are checked for the weight, for not exceed, and to control what they are tipping. And there, all the lorries enter and tip. And that's all I can show you about my job. Bye. And sorry. I was forgiven it, but even if I am working as a refuse collector, for all the people which know that I am working about this document about migration and integration in the UK. As you can know, as you can see, and as you can listen to, I'm trying not to talk in my language anymore. And more than this, I'm trying to think in English in my fifth month. Bye. Even if I do, if I speak bad, I'm gonna prove it.